One of the best kid-friendly hotel na may playroom, indoor heated pool, masarap na food, at may relaxing room with the lake view. For only 6,300 pesos per night. Saan to? I got you. Hi mga ka-travels, if naghahanap kayo ng tahimik, aesthetic at super relaxing na staycation na perfect for a quick escape, around 2 hours away lang from Manila, eto na yon. Welcome to Alta di Tagaytay Hotel, located at Ridgeview Subdivision, Barangay Iruhin South, Tagaytay City. Isa ito sa mga hidden gems sa Tagaytay, budget friendly pero kaya makipagsabayan sa vibes ng 5-star hotel. We book one attic room for one night for only 6,300 pesos with free breakfast buffet na. Pagdating namin, mabilis lang ang check-in, one valid ID lang ang kailangan. And guess what? Na-upgrade pa yung room namin dahil sa minor elevator issue. From attic room to lake view room with balcony. Super plus points din sa staff, sobrang helpful and very accommodating. Let's go to our room naman, nasa third floor, and pagpasok pa lang napawaw talaga kami. Sa dami ng napuntahan naming hotel, ito na yung unique ang design, malinis at super relaxing ng ambience. Inside the room, meron one king size bed plus one single bed na perfect for families. Strong wifi plus TV with YouTube, mini ref, kettle, coffee and tea, cabinet, safety deposit box, sleepers, working table, and full body mirror. Pero ang pinaka-favorite namin, ang balcony. Grabe, ang sarap tumambay, magkape or mag-TikTok habang naka-view sa Taal Lake with Tagaytay breeze. Sa toilet and bath naman, malinis, spacious at kompleto rin sa toiletries. May hot and cold shower, hair dryer, and yes, may bathtub. Kaya super enjoy din ng mga kids. At syempre, ito ang highlights for kids. Ang El Juego Playroom. Free entrance plus unlimited play from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. May ball pit, slides, play kitchen, at marami pang activities. Tip lang, huwag kalimutan magdala ng socks. Meron din silang fitness gym na free to use. Spa, may extra fee for massage, and of course, ang kanilang indoor heated swimming pool. Bakit nga ba perfect for families? May pool for adults and kids, heated plus may jacuzzi, may free life vest with lifeguard on duty, may free towels, locker rooms, and may sauna pa. Sulit na sulit talaga. Sa food naman, meron silang La Cresta restaurant. They serve local and international cuisine. Dito na rin kami nag-dinner and yes, masarap talaga. Affordable pa with complimentary bread. Dito na rin sinerve ang breakfast buffet. Maraming choices kaya sulit. At nandito nga rin pala ang trending na cafe, ang Barcielo Cafe with Taal View, perfect for chill vibes. At nandito rin ang San Antonio de Padua Chapel, perfect for weddings and events. Plus may recreation center pa, may bowling, billiards, table tennis, at KTV na may extra fee. Hindi ka talaga maboboard dito. So if naghahanap ka ng kid-friendly, family-friendly, at budget-friendly hotel sa Tagaytay, I highly recommend Alta di Tagaytay Hotel. Malapit pa siya sa Crosswinds, 7 minutes drive, at People's Park na 4 minutes drive lang. We booked this via Klook for only 6,300 pesos with breakfast na. And if gusto nyo mag-book, use my promo code KlookChefFamily to save up to 800 pesos sa booking nyo. Enjoy mga ka-travelers, please follow us for more gala tips. Bye!